morning, student. Once again in our accountancy class, I welcome you. And today we discuss a very important question based on past adjustment, which create a confusion when we solve the question. It would be 101% conceptually proper. So let it be. Please go through the page number 2.128. Question number 59, very important, mark it, and we go through this particular problem. After the accounts of partnership have been drawn up and the books closed off, it is discovered that for the year ended 31st March 2016 and 2017, interest has been credited to the partners upon their capital at the rate of % per annum. Although no provision for interest is made in partnership agreement. Interest on capital for the both year is given 2016 and 2017 with us. You are required to put through a adjusting entry as on 1st April 2016, if the profit was shared as follow: in 2016 2:2:1 and in 2017 3:4:3. When we go through this specific problem, it seems very easy, but the adjustments concepts are hidden. If we read twice or thrice the problem, we can easily understand there was no provision to charge interest on capital for 2 consecutive years, but the firm charged interest on capital. So what? We have to cancel this particular part. Here it's question based on 2 years. So let it be, it's a very simple to solve the problem, but the concentration itself a necessity for us. So let it be, first we are having 3 partners. Is it clear? For 2016, interest on capital A, we are having 3 partners A, B and C. Is it clear? We charge 4,200 for A, 2,400 for B and 1,320 for C. This is for 2016. And the same for 2017. Interest on capital for A 4,320. For B 2,520. And for C 1,320. This particular interest for 2016, 4,200, 2,400 and 1,320. So the total of interest on capital 0, 2, 437 plus 2, 9, 4267, 792G. Is it clear? For 2017, 6, 5, 3, 8 to 10, 1, 4, 2, 6, 7, 8, 6. Now students, for 2016 they are having their profit sharing ratio 2:2:1. This is for 2016, and for 2017 they are having their profit sharing ratio 3:4:3. This is a specific information given to us. Now, please, you have to think, if they charge the interest on capital and there is not a provision for interest on capital, so what we have to do, keep in your mind, in 2016 our profit reduced by 7920 and 2017 our profit reduced by 8160. That particular amount already debited in partners capital account. If we will not charge, automatically our profit increase in 2016 7920 and 2017 8160. So let it be. How we solve the questions? Now we all are comfortable enough. We draw the statement. We are having three partners, A, B and C. First, profit increase. So we used to write amount. This is our first point. Very simple. Amount already debited now credited. For 2 years, for 2016, our amount debited by rupees 7920 in the ratio 2:2:1. Is it clear? So 7920 divided by 5, we will get 1584 3168 3168. For 2017, $8160 in the ratio 3:4:3. So 8160 divided by 10, 2448 2448 326. Now we have to credit this particular amount. 3168 plus 2448, 5616. 3168 plus 3264, 6432, and 1584 plus 2448, 4032. Now we have to credit this particular part. And interest on capital already credited to the partner's capital account, and there is no provision for interest on capital. So for the rectification purpose, second step, we have to cancel that particular interest on capital. So we have to write amount now debited. Amount now debited. Which one? Interest on capital for 2 years. For first year, 4,200, 2,400 and 1,300. 520. This is for first year. Second year 4320, 2520 and 1320. Get the total 0462640, 0294920, 8520. This part we have to cancel, means that. Now we have to compare A having credit balance 8520 and A had a debit balance 85208 is having credit balance and debit balance 5616. So 2940 credit balance for A. Which balance? This is a credit balance for A. B having credit balance 6432 and A had a debit balance we have a credit balance 6432 and debit balance 4920. So 1512 is a credit balance for B. C had a credit balance 4032 and debit balance 2640. So he is having 1392. 1392, which balance? Credit balance. So what is the answer? We can write the answer now. So let me do the answer. A capital account debit by 2904 to B capital one five one two to C capital 1392. This is the answer. So keep in your mind, question number 59 is a very important. It would be a little bit differ from the routine link. We discussed initially also, it is also one type of error where we had charge interest on capital but we don't have any provision. जब provision नहीं है और हमने interest on capital को charge कर दिया, 2 years का था, 2 years के different profit sharing ratio थे, हमने देखा समझा interest on capital उन्होंने charge कर दिया था, charge करने पर उतने part से profit कम हो गया होगा, तो जब profit कम हो गया तो उसको हमको credit करना पड़ेगा. Amount already debited, now credited for both 2 years 2016 and 17. In that particular profit sharing ratio we did it and now we have to credit it, and we credited already interest on capital. When we prepare the account, now we have to cancel, that's why we have to debit that particular part of interest on capital. Amount now debited, interest on capital. Do this, go ahead, calculate, classify, then calculate, and we will get the answer. Thank you.